Hey guys, what's up? My name's Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're going to unbox this guy right here, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, and I'm going to be reviewing this watch right next to this guy right here, which is the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the large 46mm version. I'm going to be doing a review where I put them side by side to let you guys know how they perform, because there's a lot of similarities between these watches. They have the same GPS chip. They also have the same optical heart rate sensor. And so we're going to see how they hold up side by side in a full review coming up here in about 10 to 14 days from now. But this is just going to be an unboxing and first impressions of this watch. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, and it has a lot of similarities with its bigger brother, the Samsung Galaxy Watch, but it also has some noticeable differences. One of the first differences that you're going to see right out of the box is that this does not have the rotating bezel that Samsung has been famous for. You're going to get a pretty basic looking fitness tracker and wearable without that bezel, but you do get the 2-button configuration on the right side of the watch along with a touchscreen. It has the same processor and GPS chipset, and it also has the same optical heart rate sensor. In terms of size comparison, you'll see that the Samsung Galaxy Watch is significantly larger than the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Now, the 46mm version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch that you're seeing on the left here has a pretty large battery, and you're going to get about 3 to maybe 4 days worth of battery life depending on your usage. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active has a much smaller battery, and you're probably only going to get 2 days worth of battery life at best. Now, I'm going to be putting these through a wide variety of exercises and fitness tests over the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that full review. But those tests will really determine what real-world battery life is like, and I imagine that we're probably only going to get about 2 days worth of battery life from the Active, and maybe 2.5–3 days from the larger version, the Samsung Galaxy 46mm version. Now, in terms of health and fitness tracking features, both of these have nearly identical feature sets. Both claim that they can track 39 different exercises. Each of them have 6 of those exercises which can be automatically tracked. Both of them will also track your sleep. They will also measure your stress, which is basically their own proprietary version of heart rate variability. Now, the one thing that the Active can do that the Galaxy Watch can't do is that the Active version of this watch claims that it can do blood pressure monitoring. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that feature, because that is a truly unique feature, and I'm really curious to see how that pans out. The Active version of this watch rings in at $200, and the larger 46mm version here rings in at $300. With the Active version, you'll also get a spare watch strap in case the one that comes with it is a little too small, and it comes in a little protective case, as you can see right out of the box. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active also comes with a magnetic charger that's very similar to the same method that's used by the Apple Watch. This isn't as nice of a charger as the cradle dock station kind of thing that you get from the larger Samsung Galaxy Watch. The Active version also comes with a unique styled watch clasp that tucks the band on the inside of the strap. That just helps it so it doesn't catch on gym equipment and other things while you're exercising. The watch is very light and comfortable on the wrist, noticeably more comfortable than the large Samsung Galaxy Watch 46mm version, which feels just very large and clunky on the wrist. This felt light, comfortable. I didn't really notice that it was there. Now, because the Galaxy Watch Active is lighter than the Galaxy Watch, it should, in theory, have better heart rate tracking, even though they share the same heart rate tracker. Only testing will tell, so that review, again, will come out here in a couple weeks to determine that. The Galaxy Watch rings in at a whopping 81 grams, so it is heavy, it is bulky, in comparison with the Active, which rings in at about 45 grams. So it is significantly lighter, and again, this should lend itself to better heart rate accuracy. So make sure you hit like and subscribe, and check back here in a couple of weeks for the full review of both of these products. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.